Here we go, Emma. What
Hello.
have we got for us?
Well, welcome to the Mother Flocking Sheepers Shepherd's Hut in Poland.
No way.
Amazingly decorated with snowshoes, shovels and ice axes. Follow me.
Sit down. You sit down.
Yeah, cool, go, yeah.
You sit down. You sit down. You
As you can see, we've gone for a modern architectural look with curves, bumps, different shapes of sizes to just reflect, you know, how beautiful snow can be. As we
Variety.
curve around here. It's looking quite big.
Oh, it's massive.
Quite authentic. Now please, come on in.
Foot.
sit down. You sit down. You sit down. You like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light. Like the cool blue light.
All right. See if we can make it down the slope
Like the cool
without falling. You good?
like the cool
You okay? Fucking kid. All right, we're about to land. Right. On your mark.
I'm gonna go forwards.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, it's so warm.
Oh, it's so warm.
Okay, hello and welcome. So we have got an amazing shelf just here for sunglasses holders. As you can see, we've gone for tried to go for a smoothed out effect. Really, lots of time got in.
I believe there's another shelf here.
And another shelf here. Oh my gosh. And as you can see, just gonna demonstrate this.
Full
Comfy
body length.
for a good night's sleep.
Wow.
sit down.